How to eject disc from PS5. I'll show you how to do this on your console and on your controller. So first of all, with the controller, you want to get your controller, then just press the PlayStation 5 logo in the middle, then click on home. That's going to obviously get you to the home screen. If you're already there, then all you'll have to do is click the top right hand corner button that's up here. This button, you want to go ahead and press that. Then you'll want to scroll down until you see the section where it says eject disc. Go ahead and click X on that. Then when you go down to your physical PlayStation 5 console, you'll see there the disc should be hanging out. You can just go ahead and pull that out there. So that's how it's done using your controller. But if you're doing it on your console, let's say if you just put it in the game like regular, I'll show you how to do that here, and then you want to remove it. What you're going to want to do in the middle section of your PlayStation 5 console there, you'll see the smaller button with like the right arrow there. This is the button you're going to want to click. Then once you click that, the disc will eject from the PS5 after around 5 seconds. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.